I want to try to integrate my knowledge, my design, my idea to the thing. Even the economy now, the global economy, is not like before. So our mind is come a flexible, adjustable, all the thing, choose the materials, make the things more suitable for what we want to do.
在过去的20年里，我们不断地探索新的装饰材料和生产加工技术。我们与世界一流的供应商一起，为设计师提供系统化的产品落地解决方案。
Bk Ciandre, I wanted to be leader in the world, to understand people what to do in the high-end quality of kitchen. I want to with them to create the future, not to copy the future.
Bk Ciandre provides interior designs and technical installation support for global designers, architecture, real estate developers, and projectors.
让艺术生活化，让生活艺术化。我们将与全球设计师一起，为用户创造更加美好的生活。我们愿与全球设计师一起共同成长。
The more important, we want to create the future, not the past.
We wish to grow up together with our clients.